मैं रमित घई एक बार फिर से हाजिर हूँ आप सभी के सामने। लेकर आई हूँ एक इम्यूनिटी बूस्टर आइटम जिसे मैं खूब सारे वेजीज, नॉन वेज, पनीर, दाल, बड़े सारे आइटम्स के साथ यूज करके बनाऊंगी। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। मैं दिखाती हूँ मैंने क्या क्या इंग्रेडिएंट्स यूज किए हैं। आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं। इसके लिए हमें चाहिए चीज एंड जैलीपेनो डिप, हरियाली सीख कबाब 3 pieces, refined oil for frying, sweet corn 1 tin cream style, paneer 100 grams, urad dal 1.5 cup, 2 eggs, dried apricots 3 to 4 pieces, Amul cheese cubes. Along with this, 2 onions, 2 tomatoes, 2 green chilies and 1 big capsicum. Chop all the veggies nicely and keep aside. Soak urad dal 1.5 cup a day before and keep aside so that in morning it gets frothed up nicely. Take a mixer jar, add soaked dal in it and blend well. To it add chunks of Haryali Seekh Kebab. I'm using 3 pieces in it. Add 100 grams of paneer cubes. Cover it with lid of mixture jar. Blend well and make a fine paste, but keeping in mind, do not overblend the mixture. Take it out in a bowl. Using garam masala powder, salt, red chili powder and cumin seeds, add half teaspoon each. Mix it nicely and keep aside. Take a wok or kadai, heat oil. As soon as oil gets heated up, fry the batter in small batches and make the bondas. Keep aside. Cook on same flame till it gets golden brown. When it is nicely golden browned, take it out in a bowl and keep aside. Do repeat the same procedure for 2 to 3 times. This way again repeat the procedure and make as many as you want. Take it out the second batch also and keep aside. This way the bondas are ready. Now we will proceed further for the next arrangements. Take a wok or kadai, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of refined oil. To this, add all the chopped veggies and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Toss it nicely at regular intervals. You can see the veggies are tender. Color of the veggies have changed. To this, add cream-style sweet corn. Toss it nicely and cook on same flame for further few minutes. Along with salt, add all the spices of your choice. Break the eggs one by one and cook further for another 5 to 6 minutes on same flame. You can see here how nicely it looks like. Toss it for 1 to 2 minutes but do not over dry the mixture. This way the texture should be little creamy. Now take a glass Borosil baking dish. Arrange the bondas all over nicely. Put the ready corn batter mixture over it. Grate 2 cheese cubes. Add red chili flakes and oregano. Keep aside till the microwave oven convection mode gets preheated. Take 4 pieces of apricots and place on all the corner sides of glass baking dish. This way you can see how nicely it is arranged. Now we will preheat the oven and keep the baking dish inside. Select the microwave convection mode at 180 degrees by clicking one by one till it comes to 180 degree and set the temperature 10 minutes. Press start so that it gets preheated. When the microwave oven beeps, open the door and place the glass baking dish inside. Repeat the procedure till it comes to 180 degree, and now this time set the temperature for 15 minutes. Press start. When it beeps, open the dough and check it whether the cheese is melted or not. A nicely golden brown immunity booster baked item is ready. Serve hot with cheese and jalapeno dip. Hope you will like my innovation. It's an immunity booster baked item you will surely love. It consists of full of proteins, full of calcium, and many items are there. You will surely like it. Thank you.